Now I'm standing here with rather three fabulous ladies looking very fashion forward. I must say, I'm going to start on my left. I believe you start on the left to the right.
Yes.
You are looking stunning. What's your name, lady?
Elske van Wille.
And what inspired your look today?
I'm actually wearing a Garrett Pinot for Clarice.
That is amazing. And tell me, what do you just want, putting together this outfit, or this dress rather, what were you thinking?
I actually got the dress, so I was actually lucky enough. But yeah, I was just thinking, well, I look like a flamingo and it's made to fly, so why not?
It is stunning. That gets a fashion high five. Okay, I'm moving along over here. Hello, how are you? I love navy blue, by the way, and I think you look stunning. What inspired your look for today?
My friend inspired my look for today.
Tell me a bit about it.
I didn't have a dress and she gave me this one.
Okay, cool. And your name, lady, who sponsored the dress?
My name is Monet.
Minay, tell me, what's your thought process when putting together ensembles for an event like this?
It's literally who's going to be there taking photos, where the photo's going.
Okay, cool. And what do you think about the theme this year, Made to Fly? I think it's amazing. What do you think?
I think it's pretty cool. I think it's something you can use and you can push it into the fashion and have fun with it to so much.
Well, ladies, you all look fabulous. I hope you guys have an amazing time. And thank you so much for chatting to us on 48 Hours TV.